So, for many times we hear the word self-improvement. In today's video, we are going to see how I understand self-improvement, because the way how I understand might be different, right? The way you understand your improvement might not be the way how I understand, but we can learn from one another. I can learn something from you. You can learn something from me. So I believe that self-improvement, it means you to practice the three aspects that I'm going to tell you. 1, critical and analytical thinking at all times. When you start to think about everything before you do them or you do it, for many times you start to see that there are many actions that we do that are useless to us. When you take your time analyzing the way how you've been wasting your time doing things that are not having any value into your life, you are improving yourself, you are growing, you are becoming mature. Critical thinking might mean that long ago I used to not take life serious, but because of the excuses that I've been giving, the mistakes that I've made, and now I'm suffering in this way, then you say that I need to stop this. Analytical thinking, you can realize how some people do some things and you are like, I can't be that guy, I can't do that. It's like you analyze for your betterment. You critically think and start saying that I have to stop this. That's 1. 2, emotional management. When you talk about emotions, we mean the change in your well-being. When I talk about well-being, I mean that you not to be happy, not to feel sad, but you are in the equilibrium. How are you? I'm fine. But when someone is looking at you, he is like, why are you not happy? Yes, I'm not happy, but I'm fine. And then at the same time, when they see you that you are not getting excited too much, like being with the well-being means you are not excited, you are not sad, but you are in the middle. Emotions mean that you are the guy that has worked at something and it has worked out, but again, you are not excited after achieving that success. When something has gone wrong, you are the guy who are feeling pain from within you, but you are not showing people, because you know that that's life. Sometimes things will go against the way we expected them to be, but because you've been working on yourself, you are in control. So not everyone will be at that level. And when you see someone that is suffering because of what happened, be sympathetic to them. Try to console them, because it's not easy. I want you to remember the day when something came in a bad on your side and you felt hurt. You were like crying. Okay? Think about that time. So, for many times, we face life challenges in different ways, but the way how we control ourselves matters a lot, and it shows how we have improved. It shows how we are mature. Lastly, this is what we call habitual discipline. Habitual discipline. Life of me and you need to be with some habits that guides you. The way how you see our religion. That's why we always urge people to be spiritual, because whoever is religious, there are some things that you can't do, because you say that the religion that I'm believing in is not telling me to do this, is commanding me not to behave that way. Also in your day-to-day life, you need to be with some habits. So habitual discipline means to be with some habits that you will be doing consistently after recognizing their value into your life. It is when you will continue to work on yourself so that you reach that level where you want to be, but you are not there. Okay, so 3 factors that I've said that make self-improvement. Habitual discipline. There are some rules of life that you are following. After assessing these rules and you've confirmed that they will work for you to become a better person every day. Also in this habitual discipline is when you can put in the emotional management that I spoke about. You need to learn how to control yourself. You need to control that anger that someone has abused you. You have to react. When you react, you get embarrassed. But what if you think that, okay, fine, this is a way of undermining me. But because I'm mature, let me try to control myself. I just gave an example. But all in all, when we say that you are a guy who has mastered, who is enthusiastic about self-improvement, you are always a thinker. You are always in control of your emotions. You are having the confirmed way of living in your life, health-wise, the lifestyle. Maybe you say that every morning I have to bathe, I have to cook this, at this time I'll be here, something of that kind. So let's meet in another video. Hopefully also this video will be helpful to you. Bye bye.